Welcome to video 2 of our foundation training in the lifestyle of an urban spiritualist. Our ability to create is the leading quality of all that exists in this world. An urban spiritualist is a creative world citizen, and our aim is to disrupt your programmed life creatively. It's time that we offer a different view, a specific lens that you may witness through. It's time that we introduce a mode of thought highlighted in the book, The Power of Us. This is one of many ways of helping you to recognize your programmed existence and your ability to affect positive change. Perhaps we could think of it this way. It's as if we are living our lives similar to the technology we're all attached to, our smartphones. For example, when our new smartphones arrive, we charge it, essentially giving it life. When the phone is fully charged, we start it up. The incredible technology in the smartphone comes equipped with default settings in its operating system, which are subject to be changed by the end user. Smartphones also include stock applications or specific programs. Apps are incredibly convenient, as nearly anything could take the form of an app. The apps on our smartphones are intended to be the foundation of the phone, becoming personalized to our own needs and preferences. But the same goes for us. We are born with a similar tone, and we are turned on with our own default settings and our automatic operating systems, otherwise known as our psyche. Our personalized psyches are the centralized force behind our emotions, our thoughts, and our behaviors that we then repeat on a regular basis. This means that our default settings and our automatic operating systems were created through the combined traits of the many influences in our lives that help to create who we think we are. Just like the smartphone, we also embody our own version of apps, which may be viewed as our centralized belief systems, default personality traits, and behavior patterns. Our apps are initiated when we personally engage with them. What behavior program do you launch when someone cuts into a lane while driving or dislikes your creative expression? Your response would be automatic, comparable to an open app set to run, dependent on our own programmed default settings. The bottom line, each of the downloaded apps and their versions in our automatic operating system requires us to personally maintain and manually update. Watch, wait, and pay attention. The urban spiritualists are coming, and our virtual community will be launching soon. Join us.